Hello, this is Jerry with McKellar's Modified Rides. We've had a little controversy on this front mount or rear mount 73 and up calipers and the way they fit. Today we're working on a 70 Plymouth Duster, and it has the 73 up brakes on it with the original calipers. They're just mounted on the back, so you put the right on the left and the left on the right. It has the original OEM hoses. You hopefully can see in there how they mount. Most of the controversy seems to come when you have sway bar. So we'll show you this unit actually has sway bar in the front, and it clears with no problems. Again, depends on your model. Not all models may fit like that, but this particular one, it clears with no problems. And the brake line itself seems to clear with no problems, as you can see there too. It just kind of, you might manipulate the metal part a little bit, but either way it clears, it works. Been doing it for years. But we also have a rear mount caliper that you can put on there if you prefer. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, here it is with the caliper mounted, the rear mount style caliper. Basically the difference is the hose mounts on the top on the OEM when you use the OEM setup, and if you use the rear mount calipers, of course the hose mounts on the bottom. I like to use these stainless braided lines that we have. It seems to work pretty good. You have to do a little fine tuning on that hole where the line goes in right there. You have to die grind it out a little bit, or use some type of a little snap ring. The original clip needs a little modification, but it works well. So for those of you who are worried about the original hose binding or anything like that, this is also available from us. Rear mount calipers with the aftermarket steel braided hose. I'll go ahead and turn the wheel to the left. You can see how it looks with the wheel turned. Just kind of curls around there, works pretty good. You can kind of move it around a little too. Again, this is just mocked up, so you know this line you can kind of position it however you feel free, but it clears without any binding, and you don't have to worry about that sway bar mount that seems such a concern to some. So anyways, hopefully this helps you guys. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to us here at McKellar's Modified Rides. Thank you.